Okay, so unfortunately I couldn't upload this like on Friday, and sorry for the bad quality, but this is about Friday. This is a Friday song. Okay. A marsh fire and a hurricane canceled the high school football game. So instead of cheering on the football team, I'm driving home in the smoke and rain. It's Friday, Friday, marsh fire and a hurricane. Friday, Friday, driving in the smoke and rain. Some of you won't get this, 'cause it only pertains to the people of New Orleans who attract rainy days. Did I forget to mention it was Labor Day weekend, so everybody in our city's plans are ruined.
Too bad, so sad for the people who was going out. We were gonna head up to Gonzales, but we can't. I wanna scream and shout. I've been looking forward to the shiznit, but the smoking rain had to get all up in my business.
It's Friday, Friday, marsh fire and a hurricane. Friday, Friday, driving in the smoke and rain. Some of you won't get this, 'cause it only pertains to the people of New Orleans who should be used to rainy days.
Friday, Friday, marsh fire and a hurricane, marsh fire and a hurricane, marsh fire and a hurricane. Friday, Friday, marsh fire and a hurricane, marsh fire and a hurricane, marsh fire and a hurricane. Friday, Friday, marsh fire and a hurricane, marsh fire and a hurricane, marsh fire and a hurricane. Friday, Friday, marsh fire and a hurricane.
Just kidding, it ruined everyone's weekend.
Woo!
And that is the end.